let's do a quick visual condition report, starting with the paint. You know, overall it looks really good, but you are gonna see these kind of black hues every once in a while. I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera or not, but they're just kind of scattered every once in a while throughout the body. See some little spots there. See some lines here. Looking at this fender though, this side looks really clean. Wheels look good. You're gonna have a few rock chips, a few scuffs. Got a touch-up spot here. A couple on the door. A few on this flare. The muffler looks really nice. That wheel looks good. A couple chips. A little scratch here. Okay, here on the front, this headlight looks awesome. You're gonna have some rock chips here on the front end. A couple dimples in the paint. We do have a little bit of damage here. Then we have a couple rock chips. We're gonna have some touch-up spots, little rock chips here and there. There's kind of a small scratch that was touched up. A little scuff here. Some imperfections around that emblem. Headlight looks nice. Got a touch-up spot here. Some imperfections in the paint. You see some bird poop that kind of etched the paint there. A couple scuffs there. And looking at this wheel, overall that looks really nice. You see some imperfections there. Chips on the door edge. Muffler looks nice. Got some chips here along the edge there that have been touched up. A couple rock chips there. We have a gash here that's been touched up. That wheel looks really good. Some imperfections here. We do have some chipping there. You're gonna have some dimples in the paint, little paint runs, some small imperfections like that. This is chipped, and then this is chipped. Here on the door panel, overall looks good. Got the leather strap. Seats look really good. Steering wheel looks really nice. Console looks good. The interior on this side looks really, really nice. Checking out the upper side of the dash. You're gonna have a couple imperfections here and there. Overall looks good. And then this door panel overall looks good. Got the Cobra mats. The seats look really nice. Now we do have wear right here from the door shutting. Visors look good. We're going for a quick drive.